Roll sound, roll camera, and action. Welcome to the Starr Justice Show. We're going to show you how to make LOL doll food out of clay. So you need a spatula, 2 pencils or 1 pencil, popsicle stick, paintbrush, natural modeling clay, and paint, and a white cardboard and some cardboard so it can dry. I'm making a burger. I'm making cake. Okay, let me make a circle. Okay, that looks cool. I'm making the bottom bun of the burger. And I'm making a unicorn cake. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. 7 colors. My French fries are ready. And let me just set up my burger one more time. Here's my cheese, here's my beef, and here's the top. And if you're stuck in the middle, moving just a little, and I bet you won't feel so blue. 1, 2. Now I'm going to make an ice cream. French fries, cheeseburger, and an ice cream cone. Okay, now I made a cake. Now it's time to let everything dry. So we waited for it to dry, and this is how our creations look after they're dry. This is my hot dog, and this is my burger bun. And this is my cake. Now let's paint. Oh my God. Time for my ice cream. I'm making the bubble gum on my ice cream. I'm painting my hot dog now. Now I'm done painting my bubblegum ice cream. And now I'm done painting my hot dog and my hot dog bun. Now the last thing that I need to paint is my burger. And my burger bun. Look, my fries are dried. Done putting my blueberries on top of my cake. This burger is so delicious and it's so perfect. And the fries are so tasty and perfect. Delicious. So delicious. I love the hot dog. And next we're going to have dessert. My name is Baby Cat. And my name is Shorty. And today is my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Big in the World. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Stop! 6 years old, 6 years old. Sing happy birthday girl, 6 years old. Growing like a big tree, big and strong. Sing happy birthday girl, who's 6 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Happy birthday! Yay! Today's my birthday! Delicious! I love my cake! And that's how we make play food out of clay. Did you like that video? If you did, click the thumbs up button, the bell button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Starr Justice Show.